For this PowerPoint quiz, the simple part was choosing the topic from the book, gathering information, and actually coming up with the questions and answers.
The troubling part is having to create the interactive quiz itself. The quiz has to have action buttons and at least 4 out of the 6 requirements listed by Dr. Campbell.
After creating your information slides, you want to make sure to include a detailed instruction slide on how to take the quiz.
To begin making the quiz, open a new slide and type your first question and all possible answers on the slide. Then, make 2 new slides with correct and incorrect as the title. Now it's time for the really fun part, hyperlinking. To link to a correct answer on your question slide, highlight the correct answer, go to the top of the page where it says Hyperlink, and then select the appropriate slide from the list shown.
To set the correct answer on a Mac, you will highlight the correct choice, then right-click and go all the way down to Hyperlink. Make sure Document is chosen before you locate where you want it to go. Click on Slide Titles and choose Correct since you are setting the right answer. Now, the answer should be highlighted, colored blue, and underlined.
Repeat these steps for each of the answers for each question. It does get tedious, but make sure that you do every one.
For the remaining of the incorrect answers on a Mac, you will do the exact same thing. But when choosing what slide title it hyperlinks to, make sure to choose Try Again.
When that's done, you might think the hard part's over, but you still have to put more hyperlinks for the correct and incorrect slides. When you're on a correct slide, you want a hyperlink that goes to the next question. And when you're on an incorrect slide, you want them to go back to the question so they can try again.
To do this, we used a form of arrow for the navigation. Now that you know how to hyperlink for both a PC and a Mac, after your shapes are set in place, you are going to right-click and go to Hyperlink just like before.
This time, when you're locating which slide title to hyperlink to, you want to make sure to choose the next slide for a correct question and the previous slide for an incorrect question. It might seem a bit confusing, but once you've done the steps over and over and over again, it'll come with ease.
Just remember to add the other multimedia components and to make it creative. Overall, I thought this was an easy and creative project to do, but the only tricky part for me was figuring out how to hyperlink things on a Mac. You want to pace yourself when doing this assignment, make it creative, make it easy to understand, and definitely make it you.